Still losing customers at checkout? Add trust badge and instantly build confidence where it matters most. Let's set it up. From WordPress dashboard, go to on-page checkout. Now scroll down and open Advanced Settings tab. Here you can see the option Trust Badge Configuration. Enable Trust Badge to display security and trust signals on your checkout page. From here you can add badge position. It could be above checkout form, below checkout form, or next to payment methods. Then you can also add badge style. It could be horizontal row or grid in 2 columns or with vertical list. And this is where you can add trust badge. Click here. Let's add trust badge text. Secure payment. And from here you can add icon. Let's add shield. Now let's add second badge. Privacy projected. You can add more badge from here. If you want to remove any badge, you just need to click the remove icon, or if you want to hide any badge, then you need to click the eye icon. Let's remove this badge and we'll show you how they display on your checkout page. Click Save Changes. Now let's visit the checkout page. You can see here the trust badge is displaying in a horizontal row. Let's go back, go down. If you select grid in 2 columns and then click Save Changes, then they will appear like this. Or if you choose in vertical list and then click Save Changes, now you can see the badge is displaying in a list. You can also add custom HTML as per your site's need. Let's paste a code here and now click Save Changes. Now if you visit the checkout page, and you can see here the trusted badge is displaying like this. Trust badge helps customers to feel secure, because when customers feel secure, they don't think twice. They just complete the purchase.